If I asked how you know what you know, could you show me the complete path that led you there? Most research and AI tools preserve the final answer. ILR 2.0 preserves the questions, evidence, corrections, turning points, and decisions that produced it. This is a working 7-screen prototype built for OpenAI Build Week. Every ILR begins with human curiosity. The controlled demonstration asks how a live presentation could preserve the way people in the room develop an idea, instead of recording only the final presentation. The example is kept separate from the core framework, so ILR remains useful across many kinds of research. In live Lineage, every meaningful entry receives a timestamp and a distinct role, such as question, observation, evidence, hypothesis, revision, or conclusion. GPT 5.6 can suggest classifications and relationships, but its suggestions remain separate and reviewable. The human researcher accepts, edits, or rejects them. AI organizes the record, it does not decide truth. Chronos answers, when did understanding develop? Entries remain in chronological order, with the source type and the limits of each timestamp visible. The demonstration uses dated local notes, internally dated documents, public sources, and Git history. ILR distinguishes past note validation from stronger technical records and does not turn chronology into a claim of ownership or influence. The knowledge growth matrix makes relationships visible. Questions branch into evidence, competing interpretations, revisions, and decisions. Related ideas can be grouped without erasing their differences. This is what separates ILR from a transcript, it shows how understanding grows, not merely what was said. Kairos answers, why did this moment matter? A turning point may be a contradiction, correction, discovery, or decision that redirects the investigation. ILR preserves the state before and after the change, so a reviewer can see why confidence increased, decreased, or stayed uncertain. The conclusion remains editable and human-controlled. It can be traced backward through revisions and evidence to the original curiosity. Codex helped turn the ILR constitutional framework into this focused product, implement the 7-screen flow, integrate GPT 5.6, test the data path, and deploy the prototype. ILR shows not only what an AI-assisted project concluded, but how, when, and from what evidence that conclusion developed.